Guess what you can see at an airport? I'll show you some mixed up letters. You'll have 5 seconds to figure out the word. Ready? Let's go. This is the entrance. People enter the airport here. This is a passport. You use it to travel to another country. This is a trolley. It helps passengers carry. This is baggage. It is the luggage you take when you travel. This is a ticket. A ticket lets you travel on an airplane. This is check-in. You check in before boarding your flight. This is the gate. Passengers wait before getting on the airplane. This is security. Security checks help keep everyone safe. This is the terminal. Passengers wait here before their flights. This is boarding. Boarding is when passengers get on the airplane. This is an airplane. It flies people from one place to another. This is the pilot. The pilot flies the airplane. This is the cabin help passengers during the flight. This is my seat. Passengers sit here during the flight. This is the runway. Airplanes take off and land here. This is radar. Radar helps air. This is customs. Customs checks luggage when people enter a country. This is immigration. Immigration checks passports before people enter. Is departure. Departure is when a flight leaves the airport. This is an escalator. It helps people move between floors. Great job! How many words did you get right? Write your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and join us for another fun English word scramble challenge.